You'll very likely remember where we left things last week, with work on Barrack Street. On what turned out to be a very windy Monday, Bar launched into what would prove to be a very productive week. The major effort went into preparing a trench, in which a new permanent water main will replace a temporary arrangement. With the bottom of the trench below lake water levels, a pump will be used to provide some assistance. Meanwhile, down along the side of the dock, the area behind the sheet pile is being cleared, whilst fixtures and fittings are cut away. In an encouraging sign that work may be complete on the ramp control pedestal, the bucket lift that Fox have been using left the scene. We'll leave Monday with a look at some of the rather strange weather encountered on the day. Monday night, for the first time this week, brought overnight snow. A first look at the site of the new water connection didn't show the pump to be functioning very well, as Bar planned their next move. A steady effort to remove all the fittings not required for the dock extension is being made by GIP and the welders. By day's end, despite freezing temperatures, bright sunshine was bringing about a thaw. Wednesday definitely saw an uptick in activity on both the water main and along the dockside. Along the dockside, the last of the old structures were being removed. But the focus of attention was firmly on the installation of the water main. pipe must make a dogleg to run up Barrack Street. The opportunity occasionally presents itself to show off the team. Finally, the day saw a tour of inspection by Aegis and MTO. Thursday proved to be remarkable in that it was the first day on which flags flew over the new dock. Work to cut down the old sheet pile is progressing steadily. Work is underway to grade the ramp area. Filter cloth goes down before gravel is laid and compacted. An operator juggling the removal of spoil and the arrival of gravel needs a sense of humour. You can throw work with concrete into the mix as well. As the day wears on, there's an increasing push to remove the spoil. Traffic management becomes quite an issue. Whenever gravel is delivered, the work isn't complete until it's compacted. By Thursday afternoon, Bar are turning the water main up the line of Barrack Street. Friday sees snow once again on the dock. But the gravel keeps on coming. All the while, the dock is being cleared of snow. Even while all the grading and compacting is going on, spoil continues to be removed. As we watch one of the week's last loads depart, I'd like to suggest that if you find these updates helpful, you consider subscribing. And thanks for watching.